Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for technical analysis. Let's begin by navigating the platform's intuitive interface. You can easily search for any asset like stocks or crypto using the search bar. Once you select an asset, its chart will load, ready for your analysis. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where all your charting magic happens. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's dive into charting. You can change the chart type from the top menu, choosing options like candlesticks or line charts. To add technical indicators, click the Indicators button and search for popular ones like the Relative Strength Index or Moving Averages. These tools help visualize market trends. You can also use drawing tools, found on the left sidebar, to mark trend lines or support and resistance levels directly on your chart. For deeper technical analysis, explore the array of drawing tools. You can identify chart patterns like head and shoulders or triangles using tools such as the brush or rectangle. Pay attention to volume data, usually displayed at the bottom of the chart, as it can confirm the strength of price movements. Additionally, set up price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific level or an indicator crosses a threshold, ensuring you never miss a key moment. To enhance your analysis, explore the vast library of community scripts and indicators shared by other traders. These can offer unique perspectives and strategies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so utilize TradingView's paper trading feature to test your strategies without risking real capital. This is a fantastic way to build confidence and refine your skills. For more resources and to stay hydrated during your trading sessions, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.